very easily. Taking our first look here at the 6.2-inch outer display. To many people's dismay, the screen size has not changed on this outer display from the Fold 5 to the Fold 4. I'm actually happy that they did not change this. I actually love the use case of this phone, having it in the one-handed use case on the outside. And then when you do need that larger display, it's just so easy and accessible and enjoyable to jump into this inner 7.6-inch display. We do have an improvement to these displays, which is a new maximum brightness of 1750 nits, which we'll check out later in the video. And we also have the highly anticipated Snapdragon Gen 2 processor in this Fold 5, which is going to greatly enhance the efficiency and battery life of this phone. So I'm going to go ahead, put my personal SIM card into this phone, use it for the day, and come back with my final first impressions on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. All right, so it's been a full day now since I first got my hands on this phone, and I'm definitely